Lecturers are very patient people. We are committed to our work. We are passionate about our work and we want to do our work. But the government always pushes us to the corner every time it comes to the CBA negotiation. I know that as we went for Christmas, all our members were asking for this and they were very much ready to down their tools come January. I know that over the 10,000 lecturers all over the country are ready for another strike this January. But I'm telling them, we are giving the government this January, mid this January. In fact, by 15th of January, we expect that that money has hit all the university accounts. And if that will not have happened, we are going to give direction as a union. So our members, I want to say that the union is working for you. Be patient. We will have 2 weeks to reevaluate the situation and to consult with the government officials. If nothing is coming forth, we are going to give directions to our members.